Hey guys, it's Eric, and so for today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can get likes and followers on TikTok. This has been a highly requested video for like years now, so like it's been 84 years. But ever since Musical.ly became a TikTok, so many things changed, and even the way you make your videos and also the times you post your videos are like much different now than just Musical.ly. You just post 3 times a day and you'll be like, ooh, time to spill the beans. By the way, if this is your first time watching me, then hello to you. My name is Eric, and thank you so much for watching me right now. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and also tap the bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. And if you did that, let me know that in the comments, because maybe you'll win the next shoutout for my next video. By the way, shout out to these people right here for turning on my post notifications and being active as always. Thanks to these fam, and now let's get on with the video. So I'm gonna be telling you guys some tips or like what I usually do for my own TikToks so I could get like likes and followers, like big mood right now. But yeah, like I said earlier, the way you do things now on TikTok are much different than before in Musical.ly. So I'm gonna be telling you guys the first tip, and that is your username. Like I feel like on TikTok, the most important part is your username, because if your username is easy to remember or just short, then people are gonna be remembering you easier compared to like someone whose name like, oh, I'm a cutie pie 1 2 3 4 5 6 84 7 24 7 84 years. So yeah, if you think about it, the short usernames or even like a catchy username, if it's like short and like easy to remember, then most likely people would remember you and like like memories right now. Like for example, in my username is Life with Eric. Like you just put life with then my name like Eric, like ooh, very easy to remember. Your username has to be easy to remember or short or catchy. Another tip that I have for you guys for your accounts is to make sure that you're in public, because if your account is in private, then that means that not everyone would see your videos, and whoever is only following you would see your videos, and it's now getting shared to other people. So if you want to expand on TikTok, like go big or go to Mars or something, then you're gonna have to go on public so that more people could see your videos, and hopefully it goes on the For You page. And yes, only people who are in public could go on the For You page, so if your account is privated, then you cannot go on the For You page, sadly. For the next step that I have for you guys is the videos that you make on TikTok. I feel like this is the most important part when it comes to like going big or like whatever on TikTok. Basically, our For You page is there for a reason, and most likely the For You page is for you to explore new ideas and everything like that. I mean, that's what they told me on that event thingamajiggy that I went on. But yeah, For You page is for you to find some ideas, or let's say there's a trend that's going on. Like if you see one trend that's like starting to go viral, like let's say you've seen it like once or twice in like the same day, that means that that trend is coming up and you need to do it like bam bam. But yeah, I would suggest to just jump into the trends. Like even though you don't go big on that trend, like at least you did it. Like that is what counts, Just to give you guys an example, like as you can see here, I did the mirror trick thingamajiggy where you just switch mirrors like that. This is like a big trend that I saw. I was like, oh, I see this coming up right now. So I just did a trend and I did this, and I just put like 1 or 2 hashtags. That's the only thing you need. And as you can see, there are currently 521,000 views. Like oh my goodness, almost around like worldwide or something. And also I tried doing the thing where you stab the ziploc with the pencil thingamajiggy. I did that. As you can see, it didn't get that much likes, but that's okay, because as long as a lot of people saw it, then people are gonna be seeing your usernames and they're gonna be like, ooh, this person right now, interesting. And one more tip that I have for you guys when it comes to making your TikTok videos is that make sure to make it interesting. Like let's say you see a trend that's going on, if you guys could add like a little twist into it, like like maybe doing something like whoa crazy right now. If you could do that, then most likely it's gonna go viral. If it does, I don't know. For example, if you do slow-mos, if you do like something physical, I guess like outside or like whatever, something like that. Like this one right here, I just threw like a pink water up to the air and I'm just like boom right now. And then as you could see, it got around 265,000 views. Like that is a lot. Like my normal is usually like only 50k to 100k. If you guys are wondering, you might think that, oh, it's already big because you're already big. Like I'm not big, I'm only small bean. So like seeing a 200k or above like that, for me at least, that is something I don't usually get, and I'm just like shook when I see one. So yeah, that is one tip. And another thing that I have for you guys when it comes to making videos is that make sure that you're filming in like high quality. If you're shooting shooting something, most likely if you want more people to see it, you would want to film it like let's say on a camera or like your phone camera, because usually those are more high quality than the ones you shoot on TikTok. And the next thing that I'm gonna be talking about is the caption of your videos. I feel like this is one of the most important things on making videos on here, and that is the caption, because sometimes when you write a caption, and I don't know what triggers their algorithm or whatever like that, but sometimes when I type something into the caption, sometimes TikTok doesn't like publish it for some reason. I'm just like, what are you? So usually you have to like be careful of your captions sometimes, because sometimes if you post something and there's a word there that I guess they don't like or something like that, it's not gonna be shown out there to the people to see. Also, one more thing, the hashtags. Make sure to only use hashtags that are relatable, and also if you want to be on the For You page, use the hashtag For You page. And one time TikTok actually gave me this thing where like it says like on the paper of some tips that they have for TikTok creators, like what's up right now. One of those things they put is the hashtag feature me. Apparently the hashtag feature me don't work anymore, so if you want to save space for your caption, don't put in the hashtag feature me anymore, because it doesn't work and they don't, I guess, feature people there anymore, which is real sad, but you know, life. The next thing that I'm gonna be talking about when it comes to setting up your account is your name on the account. So basically there's like, you know, the username and then the name. Make sure that your name is like bold and clear. Like, you know, if your name is Dora the Explorer, then put in Dora the Explorer. Don't put in like Dora the Cutie 191 or something like that. Just make it simple. Make it like your name. Make it like Erick Skies or something. And that's pretty much it. And also for your bio right here, make sure that it is just short and easy to read. Like you could just say like transitioner, New York City, or like I don't know, something like that. Don't put it like a long bio. I mean, it is up to you, but I would suggest not to put like a long bio. Make it like short, easy to read, and good for the eyes, like, you know, very good eyesight. Another tip that I have for you guys is going live. I know that not everyone could go live on TikTok anymore like it used to be, but if you could go live, take advantage of the live. Like, you know, if you go live and you have like, let's say a few followers here and there, you would show up right here in the top, and every time you go live, and let's say TikTok puts your here even though they don't follow you, like, okay, let's say you are in someone's live that you don't even follow. Usually what happens is that you watch them like that, like who this person, I mean I know her, but let's say you close their live, it's usually gonna say either to exit the live or follow them then exit. So if you're looking to increase your followers, if you want, just go live every single day, talk to your peeps, talk to your fam, your squad, your thingy-majiggy, and get to know them better. And also while you're doing that, you might meet some new ones that you've never seen before. So yeah, just another tip that I have for you guys when you want to get more followers. On to the next tip that I have for you guys, and the next tip that I have is making friends on TikTok. Like, usually there's a lot of people out there who make videos on TikTok, and I feel like one of the best things about this app right here is making friends and actually making videos together. Because if you make videos together, like say you and your other amigo be like having the same followers or something, if you guys make a collab or anything like that, then that is a good thing. Same thing for YouTube. You know how YouTubers make collabs with one another and they're like, ooh, hello to a new person, and then they're like, ooh, mommy here. So yeah, same thing as TikTok. If you make collabs with them, that is one of the best things out there, because then you guys could promote each other's TikToks. And also if you guys make the same TikToks out there, then most likely people are gonna be checking you out and hopefully following you for your future videos. For me, I barely have any TikTok friends. I mean, I do have some, but like, I'm shy, so I don't really talk to people. So yeah, that is a mood. Okay, so this is gonna be the last tip that I have for you guys, and that is posting times. When you post on TikTok, make sure that you think about the time that you're posting. Like, don't post at like 2 a.m. because no one's gonna watch it. Probably the people who follow you are asleep. So you're gonna get to know your peeps right there, and just think like, oh, when are they using their TikTok? Or when are they awake? And when are they asleep? For me, usually if you live like around Eastern time, like, you know, like New York City, Canada, Toronto, thingy-majiggy, if you live like in the same time zone as me, usually people who make TikToks in this area post at around like 12 in the afternoon to like 4 p.m. because that is when people get out of school. And also to the people who are from Europe, it is like probably nighttime for them by that time, and I feel like that is a great posting time because everyone gets to see it. Like, you know, people are getting out from school in our area, and meanwhile people who are in Europe are still awake and they are still on TikTok, probably like, what's up? And yeah, those are one of the things that I think about whenever I post. I don't just post anytime. Yeah, I guess those are all the tips that I have for you guys. Just to let you guys know, again, these are the things that I actually think about before posting. It is not like the actual official thingy-majiggy that you need to follow, like follow the rules. Like, no, there are no rules on TikTok. You could do whatever you want, but I'm just letting you guys know what worked for me and how I got my followers and then likes and all of those stuff. itself, like kaboom, I guess. Oh, and one thing by the way, I forgot to mention this one, and that is the tutorials that I post. I feel like when you guys do any of the challenges, transitions, or like slow-mos that I teach you guys on here, especially like the last one where you do the mirror thingamajiggy and also the microwave challenge, those ones, I feel like whoever did it in the SkySam, I feel like you guys got way more likes than usual, because I do check the hashtag SkySam. If you guys put the tags in your captions, I do check it, and I've been seeing you guys are getting like a lot of likes than your normal ones, which is really good. So I hope you guys keep it up, and good luck in the future, you know? So those are all the tips that I have for you guys in order to get more followers and likes on TikTok. And so I hope you guys find this video really helpful, and if it did help you, then let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys have any tutorial suggestions or video ideas for me to do in the future, let me know that in the comments as well, and I'll try to read all of those responses. If you guys have a TikTok and you don't follow me yet, then be sure to follow me at Life with Erick, and I'll see you guys there. And lastly, don't forget to follow me on all of my social medias, and which the links will be in the down bar below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Okay, bye.